comes to setting money goals for the year, I like to keep it really simple because overcomplicating it can quickly lead to procrastination or pressure. There are really just 3 types of goals that I recommend. The first is your income goal. This might be a safe, achievable goal that feels doable right now, or a stretch goal that excites you and pushes your comfort zone a little. There's actually no right or wrong answer. It's about giving your money somewhere clear to flow. The second goal I like to set is a savings or net worth goal. This helps you build stability and confidence. It's about feeling secure and supported, not just chasing numbers. Maybe it's building your first emergency fund or hitting a milestone that makes you feel grounded and proud. And the third is an upgrade goal. And this is my favorite. It's where you commit to one small change that raises your standards. It could be something like hiring support in your business, or maybe it's replacing something you've been making do with, even something as simple as fresh sheets or new underwear. Those little upgrades shift your energy in surprisingly big ways. Your goals don't have to be perfect, and they can evolve throughout the year as well. What matters is giving yourself permission to set them and revisit them regularly. Now, if you haven't downloaded it yet, the Money, Goals and Upgrades workbook, grab your free copy at denisedt.com/Jan. That's JAN as in for January. And it's going to walk you through those 3 types of goals step by step so you feel clear and inspired and supported for the year ahead. Okay, it's your time and you're ready for the next step.